Hello everybody, I'm Ankita Joshi. I'm a mental health professional. I'm a psychologist and I've been working for the past 2 years in a hospital. Uh, Today we're going to be talking about depression. So depression is not something that is unheard of. It is in fact much in the news, in the light, and a lot of the youth is dealing with depression. So first of all, we need to understand what depression is, and then we'll dive into how you can deal with it on your own. Depression is when you're feeling low for most of the time in a day, for most days. If that increases more than 10 days, then you are dealing with depression. You might feel hopelessness, helplessness, worthlessness, guilt feelings about certain things that you didn't do, or certain things that you did do. So how can you deal with that? The first thing I would suggest is going and reaching out to people that you love. As a mental health professional, my suggestion would be that if you want to reach out, you should definitely reach out a professional. That helps much more. But in any case, if you're inhibited, if you're not comfortable doing that, you can most definitely reach out to your friends, reach out to your loved ones, reach out to the people who accept and love you as you are. You can reach out to them and tell them how you've been feeling, and they will come up with reassurances and you'll feel better. A big mistake that people do is keeping it all inside, internalizing all the emotions that they've been feeling and not discussing it with people. So that becomes extremely big. But when we discuss, when we talk about it, it becomes manageable, it becomes acceptable, it becomes normal. So that is something that you should do. That will help you out a lot. The second thing that will help you out a lot and tremendously is working out. Exercise. I understand that it's extremely difficult to go out on a walk and get a breath of fresh air currently, since we all have to stay indoors. But you can work out, fix a time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you're comfortable with. Work out. What that will do is that will help your brain release certain neurotransmitters or happy hormones that will help you battle with depression. And that is great, right? Because you also become fit and you also deal with depression at the same time. And what you can do apart from this is meditation, yoga, any sort of physical activity, any sort of things that help you ground yourself to now. That helps. The last thing that you can do, and the most important thing I would say that you can do, is that you can battle your thoughts. Depression is mostly centered towards negative thoughts or cognitive errors. These thoughts are a little blown out of proportion. Okay, so for example, if I feel like people don't love me, my family doesn't love me, and I will find instances where I can see that they are doing things that might be unjust to me. What you can do in these scenarios is that you can discuss with a friend about, oh, this is what happened with me today, and come up with alternate reasons why they could have done what they did. So you have to challenge your own negative thoughts. That is something you can do to deal with depression. And apart from that, if you need any other guidance, any other help, you can definitely reach out to mental health professionals like me, and you can most definitely contact us. You're more than welcome to contact us. That's it for now.